JoJo. I'm Raleigh. And I'm Aaliyah. And this is News.
Guess what we're doing today, guys?
What?
Do you know, Nirali?
Yeah, this is a surprise.
We are making healthy, fun, easy kale chips.
Yeah!
Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's get started.
Hey! We are going to show you how to make kale chips. Go to the local kitchen and buy some kale. I made different varieties. Like this. Like this. Like this. After we buy kale, we plant it. When it gets big enough, you pick it. We already done our steps on. We're going to pick that kale. Right. Like a kale. Yeah. Let me have some. I have a big one. Ow, 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 ow. So, I don't get that. We're gonna put some more. Ooh, this one.
You guys notice anything else in the garden that's ready to be picked?
No. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What, Nirali?
Those mints. That.
The cauliflower?
No, that. Hey? Please. Yeah.
What about the broccoli?
Right. Yeah. Awesome. What about we pick broccoli flowers? Ew.
Okay, here.
And
Who's gonna get this broccoli?
me.
I'm gonna snip it.
I want to
Okay, we'll grab it.
have it. I have this one. Can I have broccoli?
Okay, here you go, Nirali. Here's your broccoli.
Can I have Wally?
Got it?
Can I have one? Oh,
Aaliyah, do you remember what else you've been picking in the garden?
Mom, what's this?
Those are the seed pods for the broccoli. Aaliyah, do you remember what else you've been picking in the garden? Your favorite?
Shani, can I put some broccoli?
Sure.
I don't know.
It's your favorite. You've been picking them. And I think there's some more to be picked.
Do
you remember?
I have another big one.
They're your favorite.
Radishes.
Radishes. You want to see if any are ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
I love picking radishes. I asked my mom to buy radishes. Yeah, and I need some radishes for my home too. Yeah. I need some radishes for my home too. Me too. Here. They're Raleigh. They're Raleigh.
Let's see, Aaliyah.
They're Raleigh.
Let's see that, JoJo. Wow. Shake the dirt off. Wow, let's see that one, Aaliyah. Let me see. Ooh, that looks ready.
I got a little one.
Let's see.
Aaliyah, this one's not ready. How's these light marks? What about that one?
So are you guys ready to wash up?
Yeah!
Okay, let's see your baskets.
Now let's eat. Can we eat our own things? I like the vegetables.
Yum. Wow.
Let's go wash up. Let's just get rid of Mom. That was taking. That wasn't.
You guys gonna try the kale chip?
Yeah. Yeah. That's sweetie. Why is it sweetie? Yum, yum, yum. How I swallow it? Is it good to swallow? Try some more. Yum. so weird. Can I have another one after? I want to
Sure.
eat it all up. For everybody that came to the garden tour. How loud was that? I got it. Yum. Can we eat it? Look at this big one. I got them. Okay. Yum.
How are those, Nerali?
Yum.
So you think everyone could make kale chips?
Mm-hmm.
And they're delicious? What do they taste like?
Yummy, yummy, honey. Mm. You can get some more lemon. Hey up. Hey up. Hey